Hello everybody, this is Yasin. So today we're going to look at the last part of 20 advanced English vocabulary. እንደምታስታውሱት ይሄ አምስተኛው ፓርት ነው። ምንድነው እየሰራን ያለነው? መቶ የሚሆኑ አድቫንስድ የሆኑ የእንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ ቮካብላሪዎችን በአምስት የተለያዩ ቪዲዮዎች ከፋፍለን እያየን ነው። ምናልባት ይሄ መጀመሪያችሁ ከሆነ ወደ አንደኛው ቪዲዮ ተመልሳችሁ ብታዩ ይመከራል ማለት ነው። Without further ado, let's jump right in. So the first one, escalate. To escalate means to lift up. To escalate means አንድ ነገር ከፍ ማድረግ ማለት ነው።
Panic buying of gas, water and food continues to escalate and federal authorities have temporarily lifted all caps on overtime for law enforcement.
The next one, abolish. Abolish means it's a verb ማስወገድ ማለት ነው። Abolish, ማስወገድ.
It's the amendment to abolish slavery.
Next one, cease. Cease means to stop. You know ceasefire. Ceasefire ማለት ተኩስ አቁም ማለት ነው። Cease ማለት ማቆም ማለት ነው። Cease, to stop. Cease means a verb, it means to stop.
If life is left unchecked, life will cease to exist.
The next one, it's a little bit tricky. You have to be careful about the pronunciation. We don't say equivalent, it's equivalent. Equivalent. Equivalent means having the same quality or amount ማለት ነው። Equivalent ማለት እኩል ወይም አቻ ማለት ነው። ወይም ተመሳሳይ እንደማለት ነው።
That's correct.
The show has generated enormous revenues now equivalent to the gross national product of a small country.
Expansion. Expansion means ማስፋፋት. To expand ማለት ነው። Expansion ማስፋፊያ ማለት ነው። Okay. Expansion ማስፋፊያ.
Now, our operation is small, but there's a lot of potential for aggressive expansion.
The next one, investigate. Investigate. Investigate means ምርመራ. To dig down.
Thanks. Hey, I mean, you're the expert, so investigate all you want.
Okay. Next one, tolerate. Tolerancy የሚለውን ቃል ታውቁታላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ. To tolerate means ማቻቻል.
I'll lead the horse at a pace your daddy can tolerate.
Okay. Adequate. If you remember the last video, we had a word inadequate in that video. So adequate means በቂ. Inadequate, በቂ ያልሆነ.
And I do not think local hysteria is an adequate explanation myself.
Massive. Massive means big, ሰፊ, ትልቅ ማለት ነው.
He's doing massive psychological damage to me.
Okay. Prediction. Prediction. Prediction means መተንበይ, መገመት ማለት ነው. ግምት ማለት ነው.
For Jamie and Charlie, the housing market doomsday prediction was music to their ears.
Next one, viewpoint. Viewpoint. Viewpoint means opinion. እይታ ወይም አስተሳሰብ ወይም አመለካከት ማለት ነው.
So very fat and very rude. Seems to have been the stranger's viewpoint.
Exhaust. Exhaust means it's a verb. Exhausting, exhausted የሚሉ ቃላቶች ታውቃላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ. Exhaust means to get too tired. እጅግ በጣም መድከም ማለት ነው.
Well, when I get her going, there's an enormous amount of heat coming off the exhaust pipe, and I hope it doesn't cook my neck.
Ferocious. Ferocious means አስፈሪ, ኃይለኛ ማለት ነው. Ferocious.
She has now restricted herself to a regime of such ferocious introspection that we are all at our wits' end.
The next one, narrate. Narrate means to tell. መተረክ ማለት ነው.
I don't doubt you hear a voice, but it couldn't possibly be a narrator because frankly there doesn't seem to be much to narrate. And besides.
Next one, authentic. 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 Authentic means original. Real ማለት ነው. እውነተኛ, original.
But he's got about 8 minutes of a bank robbery that is absolutely sensational. Authentic stuff.
Conquer. Conquer means to agree. I conquer with you, but conquer ማለት to agree, መስማማት.
Do you concur?
Toxic. መርዛማ. መርዛማ.
Well, nitroglycerine is a highly toxic substance.
devastate የሚያበላሽ ወይም የሚበጠብጥ ማለት ነው።
She said that I put on airs, that I use big words like gesture and devastate.
naive means oblivious, not being aware, being innocent, የዋህ ወይም አላዋቂ ማለት ነው naive.
You can't afford to be this naive.
The last one, estimate means መገመት ወይም ግምትን ማስቀመጥ ማለት ነው።
They found the remains of a rebel base, but they estimate that it has been deserted for some time.
Okay, so once again, escalate የሚያሳድግ ከፍ የሚያደርግ abolish ማስወገድ cease ማቆም to stop to quit equivalent አቻ እኩል expansion ማስፋፋት investigate ምርመራ ማካሄድ መመርመር አንድ ነገር ዲቴል ማጥናት tolerate ማቻቻል ወይም ደግሞ ማግባባት ነገሮችን tolerate ይባላል adequate በቂ adequate knowledge በቂ እውቀት massive ሰፊ prediction ግምት viewpoint አስተሳሰብ አመለካከት exhaust መድከም ferocious አስፈሪ አደገኛ narrate መተረክ authentic original real conquer መስማማት to agree toxic መርዛማ devastate የሚበጠብጥ እጅግ በጣም ጉዳት የሚያስከትል ወይም መበጥበጥ naive የዋህ being oblivious estimate መገመት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ እንዳልኳችሁ ይሄ የመጨረሻው አምስተኛው ክፍል ነው። በጣም ረጅምና አድካሚ ጉዞ እንደመጣን አስባለሁ። 100 የሆኑ አድቫንስድ የሆኑ እንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ ቃላቶችን በእነዚህ 5 ቪዲዮዎች አይተናል። ሶ congratulations. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I hope you learned something new stuff. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also to leave your comments. See you next time. Love you.